Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I will show you how to custom test view in Jetpack Compose. Some of you have got a requirement to custom a test view in Android. Something like this. The requirement is to change the text color, font size, or font weight of some words in the middle of the string. It is quite complex in Android view, but in Jetpack Compose, it's quite simple. I will show you. You can see here, I wrote a Compose custom test view already. Inside this function, I use test compose. Test compose have many overload function. You can use a string directly or use a noted string. In this case, I use a noted string. We can use buildAnnotatedString function. You can see thank you for watching. I append the 10 word here with those style. It will get the default style of the theme. So you can see it's still in black color. Next, you see you with the red color and italic style, and it is bigger than the others, so I will use with style. We need to add span style. With the text color is red, font style is italic, and font size is 25 sp. Go to definition of span style. You can see there are many options. You can change font size, font weight, font families as well, and letter spacing and shadow, background color. So in this case, I just change text color to red. The font style is italic and font size is 25. So you can see here it's bigger than the other with red color and it's italic. Next, for the forward, I continue to use with style and need to add span style with color. With that color is green, and then use append function to add the forward into the string, and do it for the same with the watching. With the watching word, I change the text color. Font size is smaller than the U word, and the font weight I set to bold, and the letter spacing is for SP. You can see the spacing between character is longer than the others, so you can change it to 10. You can see it's more longer. And the last one is to append exclamation mark here with the red color. I will zoom in a little bit. You can see the exclamation mark is red color. I show you the simple ways to make up the test view in Jetpack Compose. So it's very basic, so you can custom and write it more flexible to use. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Thank you.